We are here in the school. How is our son so far?
The son is doing okay.
I was worried, we'll stab you. How is he singing? He's doing things by himself.
Yeah, everything.
And he's clean.
Always.
That's what I mean. Now he's talking English.
Yes.
But he speaks English.
Oh,
Maybe
but
improvement,
writing is nothing stabbing him.
Writing. That's where yes a problem.
Writing.
Writing.
But he will manage.
But he will manage.
Bambi, to check on him every time. I know.
But the talking he knows.
Yes. I seen him when he's coming from eating, and now you see as he wanted. They took him. That is crisp.
They took him very fast.
Inside.
Ah.
Yeah. So if it is okay, net was okay.
Everything is okay.
He then is stabbing with the...
So we are here. We want to change that case. I think it's bringing problem for him to close.
For that look.
The case.
It's okay?
The trouble.
No.
The box.
The box. But to me, I saw it was just okay.
People they said no, we need to change the new one. It's very old and there's way when it's closing maybe it's getting problem. And people they say it's not good. So so my husband was suggesting.
Me, I wanted to take it. I repair it. Then we put a rangi. Yeah.
And then we buy a new one. We
bring a new one. That one we. Yeah. No, I don't know. If we remove, for example, we want to go to repair. Where will he put the clothes?
I'll talk to his friend to keep everything for him.
Okay.
They cannot sleep.
Yeah, they don't sleep.
And then I come. So
then wait. Wait, open for.
And we want to buy another uniform to pay because you explained for me.
What did you think about buying another uniform?
That one would be better.
By now it's a problem. If he is like that.
Okay. If you live like that, it might be a problem to him.
Oh, is he even?
He's here. Hey, Patrick!
Who told you we are here?
I see you from there.
Hey, how are you, Patrick? How is school taking you so far?
But you are bringing in this one. You are eating well.
Eat. They greet people, here people and tell them you are okay, you are in the school.
Hi guys, my name is Patrick. Please save my daddy's channel. I'm okay in school.
Oh, you come.
Interrupt.
No, it's okay. So, Patrick, you get surprise. They buy for you another new case. You are happy?
How is the case? The one we put there?
It's okay.
For putting clothes.
They surprise you with another new uniform. It's okay?
Yes.
So you have 2 uniform, 2 sweater, 2 socks. So you know your number now?
It's the number.
How is your number now? 100 and what?
95. And the name is not the mark. Only the number.
The number will reflect the name from the office.
That's how they do.
So when we come with the food, first we don't give the child before confirming.
No.
We must
Confirming to you. So now this banana. I was
banana.
so I was just coming home. I'm going to town, but now if I'm come to visit, like, which things I can come with?
Banana is okay?
We accept banana, but if there's another one apart from banana, if you come with it, you will be clearing on that day.
Oh, okay.
This one, is going to share with the friends, and it's not advisable.
Because he has friends.
But it's okay? If you can share?
No problem.
So now we can give.
I was fearing.
So we need to learn the rules. We don't know the rules. So next time we shall do. Now we are still here being home. So when we are taking us sometimes, that's where we can make some shopping. Like which shopping we make bread, soda.
Bread.
Shopping is you now to decide.
You decide the ones you can afford.
Okay, Patrick, just wanted to say hi and thank our auntie. Surprised you with the new uniform, with the new case. I see it's still giving you problem closing. Don't write in your uniform, Patrick. Don't write in your uniform. Be smart today, yeah?
But it's smart.
How is you are writing well?
Yes.
How is the things? Are you writing things in well?
Writing. I want you to come and you write everything.
And you read your books, the one they send for you from abroad, yeah? Okay, Patrick. The uniform, they are still there in the office, or
They are there.
shall come when we are bringing?
For us, it's just to
When
pay.
you bring the
Now I can go.
Let's bring the case and then after we pay, then we
Oh, we cannot go with it?
with the boy.
Yeah, box.
the case.
The case.
You can go with it right now.
Right now? Okay. Let us go with it.
Fine.
Go, where you see where they put your things. Be careful.
Patu sifungo sio siliwa. Okay.
Good, good. He's
I was
hiding the
asking
key.
Patrick, where's your key of your things? He's saying he's here, he's wearing the neck. It's good, boarding is going to teach my son very well. Principles, what, because there I was talking, I feel like my neck is going.
You are shouting.
Patrick, oh Patrick.
You shout until,
Oh,
you wake,
Patrick.
until you wake Elena.
But now, you will learn something. Also, parents will teach,
Be
and
careful.
teacher also they teach. So
The
they
child
do,
jumps the hand
they
very
do
fast.
roll.
Okay.
Okay. I hope I covered
So you can put this one even in a bag.
Oh, sorry. That means.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay. So guys, by now we are heading to. I'm going to repair this one. They put to make it new. Then I will leave it at home. It can help somebody in the future. And kila kitu kanga tengo etanda. Lakini ngo etanda bon. Yana rosi sanduk. Tahu ningo ira baros. Ya, mau jalan sana ada baros. Di sanduk. Are. Ah, yes sanduk. Yes sanduk. No, I'm asking where did they make the boxes. They tell me here, but here I see they are making other things. Come this side. Hi. Hello. Go repair, mole. No matter go repair. Irenga. Irenga, erano guarda bene. Non metto come che gende. Chiamaga. Unaga. Bune. Buya? Tadi gua sambil.
Binte ko be tay.
Tadi gua sambil. Gua sambil dia. Bunek.
Mana be.
Igorang kan.
Pinjua. Coba ni sanduki.
Bunek. Mesin lu coba sambil.
Ini sambil.
Lu cuma. Terus sambil.
Untuk kamu sambil.
Irang gua bete. Bagirang. Irang.
Aya fale. Injor mo siguro ay kapon pata video.
Irang ina gua bete. Lakini udah jenguk gua sambil. Ini kas, sini.
Ini rangi itu ada.
I don't know. That's it. Darling, yeah, they're making boxes. You don't go around make it a
Honey,
Ah, my uncle is there. Uncle? Nag? Yeah.
they are calling my phone. I don't know.
No.
Nasema dilang.
Na mpaka rangi ni ngapi?
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Eh?
1000.
Ah, yeah, let us go.
Why don't you again?
He's saying 1,000. And then down the door 300.
300.
Ah,
Pakai dilang.
ada rangi. Aja ni bela go. Let us go. but we are just here on the road. We are taking a vehicle here.
Utatoa 700.
The Angire town.
So the box you said they are selling box how?
Najua kupaka rangi ni
Huh?
600.
Box they are selling.
Box. They don't sell.
Kupaka rangi peke yake unajua ni 600.
Aje.
Hii ni ya kutengeneza.
Tuliongea naye jana. Huyu. Let's go.
Today we stopped here. They said that
here?
Yes.
The president is there.
Oh.
Now we cannot enter. By now there is a jam.
Oh.
It's your vehicle.
Okay.
That's why.
So okay, I want to give Eliana water. Then I want to give Eliana water first. Come.
We are giving her water. Eliana, you want water? Eliana. Eliana. You want to drink water? His mind is somewhere else. Her mind. He has seen the child. Eliana. So this is Kisi town. This road is called the Prison Road because prison is just here. There is prison. You know?
Can we go like this?
Yes. Let us pass there. Any can do. But we can go here. Let us pass here. Here. Any can do. Let us just enter here. Any can do. What I'm avoiding is where vehicles are. I see there are people. Here. Let's go like this. We are in town. So today my dad is not here. This is the stage for where my dad works. Today is off day for him. So the vehicles you see here, these ones, they are a long distance, but a short distance like our home, they use different vehicles. They are here like this ones. You see, this is the type. Niko hapa town.
mambo yako sio yote. Mambo yako sio yote. Nimeona. Na ndio umeamua.
Tumekuja kuunda.
Oh. Saa hii si unajua nimebadilisha gari.
Ushaje?
Ndio hiyo. Hiyo.
Umebadilisha rangi ama nini?
Green. Hiyo the moment ukipata sasa ndio una kuchange style ya lado baka.
Eto ni gari mwana mwana.
Toto. Junior kale vya Salimia. David. Hivyo unataka iende pa.
No kare gacha.
Naona
He works here.
He can't go. He can't go.
Ndani gate. Abana gwete.
namba no what?
Nora. Bikarende yan.
Wacha wacha jiba kana.
Change. Aya dike sasa. The big machine.
Even the color.
Is not the one.
Yeah, it's not the one. It's another one.
You sold and bought another.
Yeah.
Open, we see.
So this is the one which is going to take us home.
Every time
we come to Kisii, this is the new one. Even the white one was okay. Wait, this was the same, almost the same.
The same.
You like this
I
design?
need to buy something like this, darling. It's very nice. I love it.
I will buy like this one in the
I'll
future.
be driving myself.
You can drive?
Yes, and me, I want now. Over ready.
No, even yeah, red is okay.
Yeah, ready for me.
But green is your. Have you seen the green or red?
Very attractive.
Elias.
Can I put something? This child.
Yeah. Have you seen? Have you
have
seen
seen.
wood?
Yeah, it's
We are
very
very
beautiful. It's very nice. Like how much if you need the car like this?
We shall just
How much? If you want to
buy? It's almost 1.8.
1.5 million.
Yeah.
Hey, my husband, buy for me a car.
Yeah.
Buy for me a car.
Okay, yeah, just pray for me.
Amen.
Yeah. But the new.
This is the new.
The new you can get with that price.
Yeah.
This is the new. You didn't prepare the check.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. Shall we get for our family?
Brand new.
Thank you.
Okay.
very
We shall
much.
meet.
I shall call you.
So guys, we are here, darling. So,
Anytime we come,
mm,
that is the vehicle will take us home.
Wait, some Western.
So guys, I've arrived at a place where they are preparing the boxes. Yesterday I spoke with the guy. The guy is there. So I spoke with him. He doesn't have a problem. He's going to make for me the box. So let us go. So do you have the blue one? Blue.
Yeah. I think I have.
Okay. Even silver you have
Yeah, silver.
for putting in. And those decoration you will put? Ah, then you are an expert. Okay. So this is the box. This one I put myself.
Okay, I have seen.
I put myself. Now this one you will fix the same way? The same way I'll fix. So guys, I've decided to buy the rangi. We call it the polish. Yeah, this the oil to go to use. There's a color for me. I feel it's okay for putting this one. So they have told me the shop is here. That's where I'm heading to. Yeah, I must be careful, you know. Not joking around. Hataki mchezo.
Unasikia njoo. Simuamu.
Ndio nyanyiko cha.
You went at the wrong pin.
Silba. Ndio Jones.
So guys, this is the one I've gotten. This is for inside, not outside. You know? This one is now okay. It's the same. Yeah. It's okay. Now I want you, when you finish the rest, you go, you try another customer. Okay?
Okay.
They will tell you.
Hii mwenyewe Rita dada. Rita asubuhi.
Guys, I met my best friend in school. We did.
Your best friend, not even your wife.
He's more than a best friend.
I see.
Yes.
She's Uganda.
Yes, Uganda.
I had the accent. My
Mhm.
sister is married in there. And
Really?
yeah.
The
Actually, I was there last month.
which side?
But
Mbale. That's their home.
really,
Mm.
I don't know that
You
place.
check it there, you will see Mbale in the video.
07?
My number
Yeah.
1617
16, 17,
9771
97,
71.
71.
Yeah. In my YouTube channel, you will see the number there.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my God, Doreen is not growing. Huh?
Really?
You are not growing.
Grown big.
Where? You have
So
not.
tell me, this is your first born or second?
Eliana,
Eliana.
this is my second, my third.
You are that boy.
Mhm.
So you have you already have two.
I have a daughter, I have a
How
son, I
old
have a
is
daughter.
your first boy?
11.
11 years.
Yes.
Wow.
You see the 12, 12. By now it's 12.
Yeah, bye. Yeah, I'll catch up with you.
So check my channel. My channel is not the
I'll
same as.
check. I don't think I have bundles, but I just called you.
No, let me hotspot you. I don't want you to call me. You have
I'm not going to find.
you have WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Then I will share your WhatsApp.
Fine.
Yeah. So darling. Doreen, you know Fundi? No, my.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
My baby was in class. Mama was going to song about So you can take a content. How do we start? How do we
Content.
promote it?
Just greet the audience.
Yes, I'm here with my phone.
Okay, Doreen. Thank you. You finished fixing, eh? Ah, very nice. You put this one or that one?
This one.
Even it's better than even this. As you can see. Yeah. Okay, you continue. Let's go. Want to enter the supermarket? Eliana, how are you? So you can subscribe to my channel.
But that's not how they make.
No, you can subscribe to my channel. So this is the box I did it, yeah? It's still under. It's still under repair, you see? Still new. Sasa? Sasa? Ni kamera. Naona hapa mama.
Inashika.
Hii ni kisu? Hii ni kisu iko hivyo?
Hii ni kisu.
Ya nini?
Ya kukata nyama.
Haya, asante. Yeah. He's drinking, eh? You're enjoying yourself. And he's doing it very well. I know. as fat as it also. That's what I like also. I like the same. This size.
This basa, what
Hold
is
it.
there?
Hold. Hold this. Irana, not you. You come.
Yes. So you say you buy for me a surprise.
How do you sit?
But I don't like this stuff.
Hey, okay. Give me.
Maybe I can change.
Give me, I will give my sister. Don't change because this is the one which made me to buy. This is the one which made me to buy.
For now, you can use it. You can use it. No, you're wearing my dog.
Yes.
It's
Then-
good.
How do you sit?
Let's put the things here. We don't have any.
But you are not like you have received a gift the way you have behaved. It's like you are not interested. And I saw it was very nice.
Okay, thank you. So guys, I have seen the case. We went in the school, you have seen all the videos. Now the case they have painted, Severi went and buy the color, the paint. They bring the man and they painted. The case have become new. So I was suggesting to our aunt that it's no need to buy a case, and we have a case. It's looking, it become a brand new, because even that problem of being closing, it's been fixed. So, and we don't have money for using it, you know guys, you know. So I think for the case we can keep, we just buy uniform and that is it. Yeah, so some money maybe we are leaving, we can do for Patrick some snacks when we are leaving, when we are going back to where we stay. But the case is shiny. The one they've been, you know, that time we didn't know Singa. That time we know Singa. We came to town. They have become brand. And let me tell you, this case here in Kisii is very expensive, 2,800. It's not like 14 like in Nyabohanza. It's very cheap. But here in town in Kisii, if I go with you, we bargain. It's 2,000. If it's small man, it's 2,000. There are small cases, and this one is very big case. Yeah. Severi, show them how the case is shining, and I feel it like no need to buy another one.
But that one was to be mine. I just go and keep for future. Me, I thought I'm going to keep for future. It's here. This is the case. Already we have made it. This is how it looks by now. So the guy behind making of this, you saw him, but now he has gone. Brenda has ordered to make some things here, like this one, for making bread. This is the medium bread. The smaller bread is supposed to be like this, but this one is old. He's going to make for us 3 of them. Small, somehow the medium, and there's a bigger one. No, I think this is the bigger one. He will come and show you. So for now, we have given him another job to do. So we leave him with the deposits. Then the day when we come back, we go with them. You know. So Brenda was relaxing in that side.
If they put it everything, it's closing, yeah? They told you the name?
Patrick.
Patrick. So you see there is crossing, close. It's right.
Patrick.
Hi.
Hi. See.
Okay.
Namwaro.
Wapi Nyamaru? Nyamaru.
Namwaro.
Oh.
Done.
Okay. So now the cases are dry?
W.
Huh?
One W.
Najoto. Yakoki.
About.
Mujinga ni 1 hour.
30 minutes.
30 minutes. Lakini yakoki. Sana slow, right? So let's do this one 30 minutes.
Now when you put the sink, it's not here.
Huh?
To put the sink is inside. What about inside? Nakauka ndani.
Oh, inside. It's the same. But inside, I think because it was the first time, it's already there. So guys, come I tell you. Sure.
I'm showing.
So guys, if you want to find the guy to make for you, to do for you the job, the same job like this, you come to St. Judy's this building. Or besides Kissing Mattress, Kissing Mat. This one is Kissing Mat. Yeah, so when we came like this, so you can see how we came. You'll find him here. When you reach the stage, you will see, you will ask where is St. Judy's. Then you come to where they sell boxes.
My nickname, they call me Carl. And I was my wife.
If they come here, they ask Caro.
Yeah, Carl.
Yeah, you can tell me in the comment section. What do you think about this case? I was telling Brenda we buy another one. Now she has refused. Yesterday, you remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Yesterday she was saying she wanted a new.
A new one.
Now I have come, I've made. I want to go to keep in the house. Now you want it.
Now it's now new.
She wants it.
She has a present.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Guys, let him give you the number. 07?
07 18 89 70 33.
Repeat again.
07 18 89 70 33.
Yeah, that one. When you come here, you call that number. If you don't have a Kenyan number, you remove 0, you add +254. This first 0 is the one you remove, you write +254. Then you reach here. You see? So this is where I work. You can come and you will find him at this region.
When you call me at night, my phone is on.
Even at night, you are on.
My phone is on.
Okay, thank you. So Blend has decided to take only 2 which are ready. This one and this one. Isn't it? She's taking 2 of them. How much did you sell this?
This one is 400.
400.
Yeah.
And this one?
This one is 550. This one.
Which one was for 300?
This one.
400, 550. You cannot make 500?
Yeah,
500. Okay, and the box?
It's 300.
Yes, that is the price. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please come and support him. Anytime you want to make your box or you want to put the ink. How do you say?
Painting.
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 Yeah, if they want to paint, you check him out. You can make different designs. It's not only that
Maybe
design.
you want a new one. You can make for you.
Even a new one.
Yeah.
You have even a new box
No, if you tell me I can make for you a new one.
to look new. Or you can make another one which is new. So you make here boxes.
Yes.
Ah. But you are selling side down there?
Yeah, one making.
Or you make it,
They go.
they go to
order.
sell.
They order.
Ah. How much you make like that one? New.
This one is 1,500.
1,500.
Yeah.
New.
New.
Okay. Okay. Guys, now you have seen. For there they are selling 2,000
That's why.
at the road. So it's better you check him out, he make for you.
That's why I have this machine. For decorating.
Yeah. This one was for spring there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Making the decoration.
Okay. I never knew that. For me, I never knew that it's the one who makes and they take it to go to sell. Okay. Thank you so much. Huh?
When you want to make a new box, it's a gauge here. It shows you how to cut.
Yes, I get you make it.
Yes. If you have this gauge, you can make a new one. It's the one when you are cutting this edge, this edge,
this inch.
this edge, this edge, this edge. Let me show you. If you got somebody having this, is making even a big one, the family box.
It's the one you can use to make.
Yeah,
If you find somebody having this one,
is making the boxes. So you can tell him to make any box. You want a big one.
Now you are looking for what?
I'm looking for another one. If you got somebody having this, that one.
That one is an expert.
And it's bad.
So this he's trying to tell me that without this one he's showing me, then you will know that person doesn't do anything. So if you want to know that the person knows to make, oh, you found it. Yeah.
It's the gauge.
You must have this one
Yeah.
and this one.
Yeah.
The three of them.
The three of them.
If you don't have,
If you don't have, you don't know how to make the boxes.
okay. Thank you so much. Say your name again when they reach here. They ask.
My name is Caro. Nickname.
Caro. Yeah. That is the nickname. When you reach here, you say Caro. You get it. But the number is there. Guys, please. You have seen now a place where you can make the boxes. But if you go out there, you will find the 2,000, 2,500 and above. But for me, yeah, 2,000. You can make with 1,500. Thank you so much. Yeah. So let me check Brenda this side. We see what is planning. She's planning. Darling, the guy is telling me if you wanted a new box, you order, he makes for you with 1,500. And they told me he gives these people to sell. The one is outside. You are telling me 2,000. He's the one who makes.